Hey everybody, so I got an update video on the Dewalt router and the edge guide from the previous video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So this is going to be an update, the first, or not the tool haul, but the unboxing video. I couldn't figure out how it would install properly, and then I told you I'd get back to you guys if it doesn't work, and I would let you guys know in an update. If it doesn't work, then I would find another one that does, but this one does actually fit. The slots are right here. You just actually put the screws through these holes. Maybe I wasn't being patient in that video. This side is convex, has a dip in it. I think convex is the right word. Slide it in like that, and then drop the screw in, and both of them. Move this up a little. I'm just using the Milwaukee quarter-inch impact driver, model number 2553-20, and I have it on self-tap mode or auto mode. So it does fit. I just wasn't being smart about it in the last video. I thought the screws had to come up through here on the top, and they wouldn't fit on the top, so it just was my bad. It does fit. I actually flipped the kite around. Where you slide it in to pull it against something. I think that's right here. That's what I did. But it was originally facing the other direction. It was originally facing this way. It's got a little plastic rubber kind of style washer on the top, and then the key. So that's how it sets up. So this direction, it doesn't allow much room. The other direction, it allows the router to come out further. You can probably use it in any direction you choose. But if you use it this direction, then that's what you got. It's not a lot of movement, especially since this toolbox has a lip, but if we do like right here, that's about as far as it will go out. And it does have a scale on here, inches and millimeters. There is no numbers, so you have to know how to read inches. So 2 5.5 inches on this scale. And if you wanted, you could always flip it around. If you wanted to do that, flip it the opposite direction. There it goes. If you flip it that direction, you can actually go way further in. Okay, almost the whole top of this. So either way it would work. No issues. It just, if you flip it the original way, where this triangle is facing in, you can get closer in. The only other issue is it also causes the bracket on the bottom, this bracket right here, to rub when it's in this position. But it does fit this router, so you guys don't have to be worried that it's not going to fit. It will fit, no problems. Just got to be smarter than the tool. You know, I guess I had a blonde moment, or just a bad day, or yesterday was a really, really busy day, so it could have been just I was tired. I wish this was a little bit longer because it bottoms out in the original position against the surface plate, and it's only gives you that much travel, but it will do what I need it to do. I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching this update, and I appreciate your time. Peace.
Yeah.